What up? It's another day. Come on, get you some, man. You can check the link below. You can also go to what is it, Spotify? Anyways, the link's right there. Go check it out. Get you a sticker and get you a door hanger. It's pretty cool. They're vinyl. They will bend though, so just an FYI. I'm trying to downsize, take some weight out of my bag. So one thing I've been carrying with me is this piece of whatever. This little socket set. It's got all the fittings, oddball stuff, you know. But my problem with this is this little wrench. It has a little tiny piece of, like a real small piece of metal in there, that when you push these in there, it's supposed to hold on to it. But I've already had to replace this 3 times. And then this end, it takes the socket adapter and it doesn't stay in there. See? So it annoyed me. Anyways, I'm going to set that aside. And then of course I've got my little Milwaukee. It's a it comes with a bit holder for your drill. I carry this around because of that one bit right there. And it's got a couple flat heads, you know, for like real tiny stuff, oddball stuff, you know. Set that aside. And then I carry this around. And this is like my little junk drawer. It's got mollies and screws and stuff like that, so I don't have to go back to the car. And of course it's got your pop-up for your bits, and I never use these. It's just extras. Then we got this. I bought this at Harbor Freight. It's a little cheap ratchet. You can flip it, do it the other way. You know, pops in and out for getting in real tight spaces. The whole point in this was, you know, like this has got my dishwasher, that bit right there. I don't even know what it is. Is that it? No, that's it. Not it. This bit right here, it's a quarter. This is what I use for unsticking a dishwasher or a garbage disposable. Anyways, so I got this. The whole point in this, really, I got this because if you have to take a spout off, you have the Allen, and sometimes I don't have the Allen wrench with me, and then you got to fight it, or it has a Phillips head, and you try to get a screwdriver up underneath it. So I got this so that, you know, you can ratchet it off. Tight spaces. That's the only reason why I bought this, for tight spaces. Clearly, you can see I haven't used it yet. But what I did was I saw this a couple times on YouTube, of course, and Instagram and everybody else. And it's a 35-piece set. It's got all kinds of cool stuff in there. And that's what it comes in. Ain't that cool? So it has my Allens for garbage disposable. This little tiny guy will work on my towel bars, because I always take towel bars off for the painter. And then it's got flat heads, of course, and got a couple Phillips, no big deal. And then this, it locks into place. When you put these bits in there, it locks. I mean, it's on there. It ain't gonna come out, right? And of course, it's ratchet, of course. And then got a button on the bottom you push, you know, for real tight little spaces. I don't get in that out of spaces, but every once in a while, man, you gotta get your hands back in something. It's a pretty cool tool. This is an extension. You put your bits in there. Look at that. How strong that magnet was. It pulled it right out of there. And this holder, it's like rubber, so it holds it in there really good. But see how good that worked? Pulled it right out of there. Get that back down in there. Anyways, so you can use this as an extension. You know, if you're really got to put a little torque on something, or there is a spot right here. You stick it in there and you can push it all the way through. Now you've got a T-handle where you can really torque something down. Of course, that I'll probably never do that, but you never know, man. So anyways, it is expensive. I drove about 20 minutes to get this. Oh, it's not down in there. Got to push it down in there all the way. Got to put it on there right. And it locks. That automatically locks it. See? Ain't that cool? Little case. This just eliminated all of this. That's well, I mean, I'll take the bits out of this, of course, and keep this because it's got all my little connectors, wire connectors, stuff like that in there. But this right here weighs about, oh man, that's a good couple pounds right there. Of course, I don't need this now. I don't need this. So this right here will be worth its weight in gold for me. Really like that, man. Really nice. But anyways, yeah, I drove quite a bit to go get this because they don't have this at every Harbor Freight. But you can't, yeah, and you can't buy it online. But it's pretty cool, man. It's a Icon 35-piece set. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I've seen, like I said, I've seen a lot on YouTube floating around. And that's probably why it's so popular. And it's got the quarter drive for small sockets. So I have another set like this, a Crackman that I keep in the car. So if I need a socket for some oddball reason, I can always go get one out of the car. But anyways, just thought I'd share that with you, man. Pretty cool little tool. You guys have a blessed day, man. Hey, another thing, I'm still learning, man. You know, about the whole merchandise thing. I don't know about doing the t-shirts and hoodies and all that. You know what I'm saying? I might later on, but anyways, with these door hangers, that's pretty cool, man. Because this is like, you can hang this on a door. It's just to let the customer or the tenant know that, hey, you're in their apartment. If you go in, it's vacant unit, you want to hang a door hanger up. That way they know you're in there before they open up the door. You know what I'm saying? That way you're not freaking them out. But I also have these. This is the same thing. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want raised maintenance on there, I can sell you one of these too. These are cheaper because they don't have a sticker on. Sticker costs me some money. These are not cheap, man. I mean, they're expensive. And they used to sell them on Amazon, but they're no longer available. Anyways, I've got an exclusive contact with these. So anyways, I'm going to put those in the link. I have to add that to my page. So anyways, if you're interested, man, check it out. I appreciate it.